Hey everybody, Shaun Keenan here, and in this tutorial for Touch Plus, as you see we're at Google here, but we're going to be working inside of ZBrush here. But in this first lesson I want to walk you guys through at least grabbing some concept art for what we're going to be sculpting inside of ZBrush. Now I encourage you guys to go ahead and sculpt your own designs. This is why I'm at the Google home page here. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing and sculpting some small creatures and some other projects. So what we want to do first is at least grab some concept art from Google. And really this is all just meant to practice your skills and to hone your skills. So what we want to do here is just search for something like creature concepts or even monster concepts. And we'll just go ahead and click the images here. We just need a couple different concept pieces to go ahead and sculpt from, or at least to get inspired from and get some ideas to go ahead and start creating some art. There's a lot of really fantastic artists out there that have done some very amazing things inside of ZBrush, but I do suggest Googling and at least downloading some concept art so that you guys can be inspired and basically just get started from. I don't know what that is. That looks a little weird. It looks like some sort of virus shape. I'm not going to save any images here because I have a couple different projects in my head that we're going to go ahead and work from. I just want to make sure that you guys at least grab some concept art from Google so that you guys can go ahead and follow along. And I definitely encourage you guys to go ahead and create your own concepts. So we're just going to go ahead here and look at least at some concept art to go ahead and get started sculpting. That's a pretty unique character. You can always search for things like creature concepts, creature designs, monster designs. You just want to try to at least get an idea in your head to go ahead and sculpt from. That looks like some wild sort of mushroom type character. Okay, so just make sure that you guys go ahead and at least run through Google in terms of grabbing some decent concept art to sculpt from and get some ideas from. And in the next lesson we'll go ahead and start inside of ZBrush and start creating some characters. So there's at least a look at how you guys and where you guys can go ahead and actually grab the concept art. So come on back and we'll go ahead and get started.